Ever wondered how I turned myself into this 3D Pixar-type cartoony avatar that actually talks? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make one yourself. So, let's move on to the fun part, learning how to create your own animated 3D avatar that talks. If you ever wanted to create a 3D pixel-style version of yourself that actually talks, you're not alone. And guess what? It's really not as complicated as it sounds. Step 1. Pick your avatar-worthy photo. So before we dive into animation or lip syncing, let's start with step 1, the image. Here's the thing. This image is going to become your digital alter ego. So pick an image that you really like. It doesn't need to be perfect, mine wasn't, but it does need to clearly show the face. That's what the AI will use to work its magic. For this experiment, I made 2 images. One I made in ChatGPT, and for the other I used PicLumen, but I could have just as easily used Night Cafe, Leonardo, or something else. Just use your favorite AI art generator. And when you've made an amazing image that you want to use, it's time to go to the next step. Just as a reminder, upscaling the image is a great idea too, for even better quality, but that optional decision is entirely up to you. Step 2. Animate that image. Time to make your new avatar image move. This time I'm using FreePic, another powerful AI platform for creating talking avatars and short AI-generated videos. Despite the name, it's not free. But here's the good news. It offers 3 very affordable plans to get started, and each one includes the use of a lot of great tools. Let's jump into FreePic and get started. Once you're on the site, click the AI Suite button, then the Video Generator button. Make sure you're in the Video tab. Then work your way down the page. Choose the video generator tool you want to use. FreePic has over a dozen to choose from. Depending on your choice, upload your image, go to the prompt section, and type something like, "This 3D character is talking in a friendly and relaxed tone as if explaining something interesting to the viewer." This helps keep the animation smooth and natural, not robotic. Then, choose your effects. Choose the video length and aspect ratio. Then click Generate. Give it a few minutes and voila, your avatar has come to life. Step 3. Create a natural-sounding narration with AI. Here's the good news. You don't have to record your own voice unless you want to. You can create a natural-sounding voiceover using tools like ElevenLabs. For this video, I will be using OpenAI's text-to-speech AI tool that is 100% free. Here's how to do it. Use ChatGPT, another tool, or write your script that will be recorded. Paste your script into the box here on the left, just a short blurb that you want your avatar to say. Remember the actual animation length you made earlier, so the narration here will fit. It is better to make this a little shorter than too long. Choose a voice that matches your style. Friendly, conversational, not robotic. Then download the audio file. Now you've got high-quality narration ready to upload for lip syncing, without ever touching a mic. Now you're ready to keep going. Step 4. Lip sync with your voice. I'm back in FreePic, and I need to add the lip sync, so here's how you do it. Inside FreePic, you'll choose whichever silent video you want to use. This is the one I'll use. Next, I'm going to click on Edit Video Clip. Then I'll click on Lip Sync. Here's my video. So I'll select an audio file and put it right there. I can drag and drop it too. And there's my file, so you can listen to it if you want by clicking here. So now I'll click Apply Lip Sync, and then it will start working. You can see it says it's been applied successfully. This takes a while to process, so if you'll watch right down here, you can see how it's progressing. What I will point out while we're waiting is that we could have worked from text. If you wanted, you could put your text in here, and then choose one of these many voices here to read it for you. I chose the upload feature. The third option is that you could also record your own voice. So if you had a microphone and you wanted to just start recording, you could definitely do that too. Just choose the option that works best for you. Okay, it just finished, so let's watch it. So, let's move on to the fun part, learning how to create your own animated 3D avatar that talks. Alright, now that you've gotten this far, the next thing to do if you're happy with it is to click here to export it and choose MP4. Click download, and now you're ready to go on to the next step. Here are a few quick tips to make your videos even better. Bonus number 1, upscale like a pro. Let's be real, AI-generated images and video frames can look a little fuzzy, especially if you want to use them in high-res content. Here's how to fix that fast. Use upscalers like upscale.media or Topaz AI to sharpen and enhance your images before animation. For videos, there are many AI video generators that offer an AI plugin to boost resolution and clean things up for an even better result. Pro tip: upscale your avatar before lip syncing for the crispest results. Because pixel style doesn't have to mean pixelated, right? And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.